In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate your Flodesk checkout to Stripe Standard. Whether you're starting fresh or expanding your online business, this guide will walk you through the entire process seamlessly in just 5 minutes. Let's begin by discussing the setup you'll need on Stripe. If you don't already have a Stripe account, you'll need to visit the Stripe website. Stripe makes it easy to create a new account. Just follow the on-screen instructions. If you already have an account, simply log in with your existing credentials. Keep in mind that as part of the setup, Stripe might require you to complete identity verification and provide specific details about your business. This ensures that your Stripe account is aligned with their standards and ready to handle transactions smoothly. Once you have your Stripe account ready, shift your focus over to Flodesk. Begin by logging into your Flodesk account. Once signed in, find your way to the checkout section. This is pivotal as it's where you'll enable Stripe Standard as your go-to payment processor. If Flodesk is currently using a different payment platform, you'll need to switch this to Stripe. You can usually find Stripe among the list of options, so simply select it to initiate the transition. Now let's move on to connecting Flodesk to Stripe. Within Flodesk, you need to visit the integrations section. This section is the hub for linking Flodesk with other applications and platforms, giving you a seamless business workflow. Look for Stripe in this area and click on Connect. This action will prompt you to input your Stripe login information, thereby authorizing the connection between the two platforms. After you've successfully connected Flodesk to Stripe, you'll be able to configure your payment settings directly. This step is crucial as it ensures your checkout flow is optimized to begin using Stripe as the default payment processor. Be sure to dive into the settings to fine-tune payment methods and define your pricing. Getting these elements right will help enhance your customers' purchasing experience. Completing the technical setup is one side of the equation, but don't forget about communication. It's vital to notify your customers about this change, especially if it affects their shopping experience. Update them and share the new checkout links to eliminate confusion and maintain trust. And there you have it. Your Flodesk checkout is now seamlessly migrated to Stripe Standard, enhancing both your business efficiency and customer experience. As you can see, this process isn't complicated, and with these steps, you're well on your way to taking advantage of Stripe's capabilities. Thank you for watching, and remember, if you encounter any issues or have questions, both Flodesk and Stripe offer excellent support to assist you. Happy selling!